Welcome to Think Alive. We're Sharon and Andy, just two people with a dream and a vision of restoring our traditional stone-built farmhouse in southern Spain, transforming it into a beautiful off-grid home and sharing our journey with you.
Welcome back to The Thinker, everyone, and to our second video, a How To Tuesday video. This one's by a request from Mark. Thanks, Mark. And it's all about spray foam. This stuff, fantastic stuff. Spray foam, for those of you who aren't familiar with it, used for sealing round door frames, like this example. It's got a myriad of uses. I use it to stick back boxes in place for light switches and stuff like that. Also sticking boards to walls, like this example where we've got our inverter for our solar fixed to the wall. It's actually screwed to back it up a bit, but there's loads of other times I've just stuck a board to a wall with foam. Insulation, filling gaps, stopping pipe, any rattly pipes or anything. It's endless. I've even seen cases of people, you know, for the kids, pouring a big ball, spraying a big ball of it, and then carving it into shapes, using it to make molds. It's just amazing stuff. So it comes in a variety of guises. You've got closed, selling open, so I'm not going into the intricacies of it. Normally, expanding foam comes in a can with a tube on the end. We have found in the past that you only can use that once the tube gets blocked up. It's hard to clean it out and everything. It's a lot of messing. But with the gun, this is the gun. You just screw it onto your can. I'm going to take this off. This one's obviously stuck a bit. It's not a problem. We'll just screw it back on, he says. And then your gun's got a little adjuster on the back there. You just open that and spray it out basically where you want it. Make sure you use the can this way up when you're using it, and when you store it that way up. You don't need to remove the can from the gun mid-use, so you can use a little bit of it and still keep the rest of it going for later date. Regards cleaning, Mark asked about cleaning. I never actually clean the gun because I just leave it like this. When I want to use it, you tend to have to just get a Stanley knife and clean off the end of that a bit. But they do say don't clean it, but when you use a new can, you can screw a can of cleaner onto it, gun cleaner. Same way, you just screw it straight on, spray it through. Then you can remove the can, store your gun for as long as you want, clean, ready for your next can going on. But I just tend to, when the can's empty, I don't really clean it at all. I just take this can off, put a new one on, and away I go, use what I need to, and then just leave it standing like that, and it's ready for use anytime in the future. The cleaner also, it's horrible stuff if you get it in the wrong places. But if you do get it anywhere you want to, this stuff will bring it off, like as long as you get it before it's set. Fantastic. So there you go, expanding foam. If you've not discovered it, if you've not used it, it's a pain if you use the things, but the gun's like 20 euros or something like that, and you've always got some there. We don't even find there's a time limit issue with these at all. It just works and just keeps on working, and you know, yeah, great thing. Always handy to have around. So, yeah, I hope you found that interesting. Hope it helps. Discover the world of expanding foam. It's a magical expanding foam world. And we'll see you on Thursday with our regular video.